Want to make a second YouTube channel without creating a brand new Google account? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a second channel under the same email, step by step. It takes less than 2 minutes and you'll be able to switch between your channels instantly. Let's get started. YouTube.com, click on your profile icon on the top right and then scroll all the way down to the settings. Here, you'll find your YouTube channel when you can press the create a new channel button. Right here, type in your channel name that you want. For example, I put JonanTech2. And then go to the bottom right and put create channel. Wait for it to load and boom, you have your brand new channel. This will allow you to switch between numerous accounts, even with the same email. And that's it. Your second YouTube channel is now created and linked to the same email. You can easily switch between your channels by clicking your profile icon and choosing the one you want. If you made this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I appreciate it for watching all the way, and I'll see you in the next video.